Finally, I'm in school. By the way, it's me, Alex, which my YouTube name is Willard, but the character playing is Alex. So, welcome to the series of Jammerlee's True Love. So, let's start. Finally, I'm in school. I'm just for my besties. Oh my god. Bestie! Did you get all your stuff back? It's the first day of school, so we just bought purses. Yeah, usually first day of school doesn't have like great chemistry of lessons. Yeah, so it's usually like just activities. Well, I bought all my stuff. Really? Yeah, really? Yes. So what I got is my phone. I got a new phone. Guys. Oh my god! That's amazing! OMG! Did you get a new phone? Yeah. Definitely I bought my glasses. And I borrowed a bag and my Stanley from my mom because she's a little worried. This is a cute bag. This is a cute bag. Yeah, I know, right? Let me just fix all my stuff. You're right on time, which we were gonna start our chat. By the way, have you heard about Mia and Mike being together now? Yeah. Let me just show you. You can go there, but I'm gonna pack my stuff. Gossip! Yeah! So let me just... There's already people in class. This is my locker. I can design it. These are my old friends. They're not here right now, so accompany me. But they will always be here. I don't know why my book barely even fits. Wait, now it fits. My god, that's why I hate these kind of books that is in the bag. I usually own these kind of books because I love having books and it should fit because these fit. Let me get the original stuff. I'm gonna put my pen. This is like juice. I think I'm gonna bring... No, this is just in the locker. Let me just sort things out. So I sorted things out. It's so loud because it's literally raining. Everyone's in class. Sorry. James, don't you dare stand up in class. Teacher didn't mean to. I just... Also, Alex, that's your name? Yeah. So James does not get distracted. Please sit next to Jackson. Go! Oh my god. Just put my bag. Everyone who brought bags, please put them onto the side. So, is everyone ready? Whack! You told me to put it on the side, you didn't mean that side. Now I put it there and I cannot take it out. Loser. Hey, don't you dare bully. But let's find a way. You are allowed to just take it out Well, we are out in class, but it's kind of my fault. Thank you. Teacher's pets on the first day. Shut up. Oh, my dad is the lawyer. I don't care. Well, my dad is dead. So shut the up. Oh, I finally got it out. Good job, Alex. Teachers. Shut up. By the sense of the calculation, it's preferred shut H up. Reading ass. You did. The end of class. Y'all can go. Y'all can go. Finally. Yeah. But that sound is not a system. I will sound in letter warning. An alphabetical order. If your name starts with A, you'll get to go home. What's your name, young lady? Oh, I forgot. It's Alex. Yeah. I'm just gonna sit here and wait for my besties. So, anybody else? Oh, Amanda. I forgot you were deaf and mute. Why am I talking about deaf and mute still? Everyone gets home. Wait for part 2 to see what happens next.